Hello student, today we learn rotate command under Autocad software. Click on rectangle, specify first corner, specify other corner. Now click on rotate command or click on rotate command or type shortcut arrow, enter. Select object, next enter. Specify base point, this is the base point. Specify rotational angle or option copy reference. Specify, first we discuss rotational angle. Specify rotational angle 30. Enter. Okay. Now we discuss copy option. Under rotation command, copy option, undo, click on rotate or shortcut arrow, type arrow, enter. Select object, enter. Specify base point, click this end point. Specify rotational angle or option copy reference. For copy option, C, enter. Type C, enter. Specify rotational angle. Now type 60, enter. This is previous object. This is after rotation, this object. Okay. Now we discussed reference option under rotation command. Erase this. Ortho mode. Specify first point, specify next point, ortho off, specify next point, specify next point, enter. Again line command, specify first point, specify next point. Okay. Click on rotate or type arrow for rotate command. Select object, select the triangle, enter. Specify base point. Base point is the intersection point, this intersection point, click this base point. Specify rotation angle or option copy reference. For reference, type R, enter. Specify reference angle. Click on intersection point. Specify second point. Click this end point. Now specify new angle, click this point, this end point. Okay. Clear rotation option